Iron oxide is stable at room temperature and pressure. Avoid contact with incompatible materials and dust in the process of iron oxide ball press device. Pipelines should be laid in strict accordance with electrical standards, and strong and weak signal lines should be isolated and worn to prevent interference. If the iron oxide ball press equipment is in the outdoor open environment, the independent external lightning protection method should be adopted. The equipment itself should also adhere to outstanding grounding to prevent the influence of electrostatic accumulation on the ball press EQ. When installing, the power cable, communication cable, and video cable should be correctly connected, and the connection should be carefully referred to the requirements stated by the device to recognize the communication method and the corresponding pins. Under normal circumstances, the equipment should be installed in the later stage of construction in order to prevent a large amount of dust from the construction site into the ball press equipment, affecting the use of iron oxide ball press equipment and life.